I made it to Florida. I'm enjoying some key lime pie and watching the waves. The hurricane is headed to hit the panhandle. Seems like it's getting pretty rough around here where I am. It's windy and rainy. I'm on my way out before the next hurricane. What you're seeing here is from Helene. The uprooted trees, some snapped in half, signs down, billboards wrecked. I'm trying to go around it the best I can, just trying to get out of the area, get out of the way. Pretty down seeing all of this. It's a reminder that so many are suffering. It's heartbreaking. So we have a tree down right here, and long lines for gas because of the hurricane, and horrible. But I do have to grab some water. I'm gonna get in the back, maybe a snack before I get back on the road. I have a couple more hours to go. Okay. Yeah, there's so many people lining up. Rolling into Georgia now. It seems like it's getting worse. I've seen a lot of those signs just bent over. And I mean, you can see all these trees down right here. There is a state park that I'd like to see, and it from, I was checking it out online. It looks like it's open. So that's the plan. I made it past the Helene. Now I'm getting very close to that state park, and it looks beautiful. So in Florida and then into Georgia, the trees, pretty crazy. But I also have been listening on the radio about how bad it is. Doing a lot of praying for the families and the people who are still missing. Just trying to make my way back to Colorado. I got through a certain area of Georgia, and now it's really pretty good. I don't see any damaged trees or anything. And so I wanted to go to this state park in Georgia. They didn't have camping there, so I was able to go 10 miles down the road, and I ended up here at this campsite. It's very pretty. It's a lot of trees. It's really nice, but I'm anxious to go hiking tomorrow at the other state park. It feels really comfortable, but this is telling me that it's 90 degrees inside my van. I don't know if I believe that. And it's 32 Celsius. Maybe, you know, I'm not that interested in the temperature when I should be when it's summer. Well, it's fall now. I care more about the winter camping. That's what's very interesting to me, to see how cold it gets when I'm camping in the wintertime. But summertime, it's hot. It's hot. Just have to make the most of it. But I do have, you know, a fan, and then my air conditioner. My other air conditioner quit working on me, the one that I love so much because it was my dog's. It was a great little air conditioner, and I have this one now. It's not as good. It doesn't last all night. That other one lasted, like, I could go 3 nights on the same charge, and this one, it doesn't even make it through the night. So I'm gonna look for another air conditioner, see if I can find something better, but this helps for now. On my way out of Florida, I did walk on the beach one last time before I hit the road. This is my last walk on the beach before I head back to Colorado. I'm sure gonna miss this place. And I snuck into a restaurant that I really like. I just had breakfast. I had eggs, scrambled eggs, toast, bacon, and grits. They have really good key lime pie, so I asked for a slice of key lime pie to go. So I think that is going to be my dinner tonight. Find my silverware. Okay. I've been looking forward to this all day driving. Key lime pie. And then I guess I'll start getting ready for bed. I still have to work out because I didn't work out this morning and it is Monday, so the light back on my camera, it hasn't been working right, so but I'm gonna work on that. This is my beautiful view. It's like I'm in a tree house. I love it. I don't think I'm gonna put my window covers up today, but I might. When it starts getting dark, I might, or darker I should say. Yeah, it's starting to look creepy out there. I guess I will be putting my window covers up right now. Good morning. Bible time. I am so looking forward to this hike. I think it's supposed to be like a little mini Grand Canyon. This was my beautiful campsite last night. I didn't sleep that great. There were so many huge dragonflies.
Head south toward Florence Road.
And they kept banging into my car.
Head south.
A squirrel just ran out in front of me. There's the lake.
In a quarter mile, slide left onto Georgia 39C East.
That would have been a nice view. Nice lake view. That looked like a cross in the sky, and I just didn't get it in time.
Continue on Georgia 39C East for 9 miles.